ChatGPT, please advise how to immigrate to Canada successfully. E. Why Canada? How to apply? Where to land? How to find a job and settle down comfortably? Canada is a popular destination for immigrants because of its diverse culture, strong economy, high quality of life, and welcoming attitude towards newcomers. Here are some steps you can take to successfully immigrate to Canada. 1. Determine your eligibility. There are several immigration programs available, each with its own requirements. The most popular are the Federal Skilled Worker Program, the Canadian Experience Class, and the Provincial Nominee Program. Visit the Government of Canada's Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada (IRCC) website to find out which program is right for you and whether you meet the eligibility criteria. 2. Gather required documents. Depending on the program you apply for, you will need to provide various documents such as language test results, educational credentials, work experience, and police certificates. Make sure to gather all the required documents before you apply. 3. Apply for immigration. Once you have determined your eligibility and gathered your documents, you can apply for immigration through the IRCC website. Follow the instructions carefully and ensure that you submit a complete application. 4. Prepare to land in Canada. Once your application is approved, you will receive a confirmation of permanent residence, COPR, and a permanent resident visa. You will need to make travel arrangements to Canada and prepare to land at a port of entry. 5. Find a job and settle down. Finding a job in Canada can be challenging, but there are resources available to help you. Consider networking with other professionals in your field, attending job fairs, and using online job search platforms. Once you have found a job, you can start looking for housing and other services to help you settle down comfortably. 6. Consider improving your language skills. Canada is a bilingual country, with English and French being the two official languages. Depending on where you plan to settle, having a strong command of one or both of these languages may be necessary for finding employment and navigating daily life. Consider taking language courses or using language learning resources to improve your skills. 7. Connect with the local community. Canada is known for its welcoming attitude towards newcomers, and connecting with the local community can help you feel more at home. Consider joining community groups, volunteering, and attending cultural events to meet new people and learn about Canadian culture. 8. Familiarize yourself with Canadian laws and regulations. Canada has laws and regulations that may be different from those in your home country. It's important to familiarize yourself with these laws to ensure that you are complying with them and avoiding any legal issues. 9. Take advantage of government resources. The Canadian government offers a range of resources to help newcomers settle in the country, including language training, job search assistance, and settlement services. Take advantage of these resources to help you navigate the process of settling in Canada. Here are some websites that may be helpful for you. A. Government of Canada's Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada (IRCC) website. This is the official website for immigration to Canada. It provides information on eligibility criteria, application procedures, and other resources for immigrants. The website also has a tool called the Come to Canada Wizard that can help you determine which immigration program is right for you. B. Job Bank. This is an online job search platform that is run by the Canadian government. It lists job openings across the country and provides information on wages, skills requirements, and other details to help you find a job. C. Settlement.org. This is a website that provides information on settlement services available in various regions of Canada. It provides information on housing, healthcare, education, and other services that can help newcomers settle in Canada. D. Canadian Immigrant. This is an online magazine that provides news, information, and resources for immigrants to Canada. It covers topics such as immigration policy, settlement, employment, and culture. Canada Visa. This is a website that provides news and information on Canadian immigration. It includes articles on immigration policy, visa programs, and other topics related to immigrating to Canada. Here are some Q&A for your immigration to Canada successfully. 1. Why Canada? Canada is a popular destination for immigrants because of its diverse culture, strong economy, high quality of life, and welcoming attitude towards newcomers. The country is known for its excellent healthcare and education systems, low crime rates, and beautiful natural landscapes. 2. How to apply? To apply for immigration to Canada, you need to determine your eligibility and gather the required documents. You can then apply through the Government of Canada's Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, IRCC, website. 3. Where to land? You can land in Canada at any of the designated ports of entry, which include airports, seaports, and land border crossings. 4. How to find a job and settle down comfortably? Finding a job in Canada can be challenging, but there are resources available to help you. Consider networking with other professionals in your field, attending job fairs, and using online job search platforms. Once you have found a job, you can start looking for housing and other services to help you settle down comfortably. It's also important to connect with the local community and familiarize yourself with Canadian laws and regulations. The Canadian government offers a range of resources to help newcomers settle in the country, including language training, job search assistance, and settlement services. Overall, immigrating to Canada requires careful planning and preparation, but with the right resources and support, it can be a successful and rewarding experience. Good luck!